What is the difference between www, your domain, and just yourdomainname.com? Well, there's actually quite a big difference, but they're both super important to your website success, to your SEO, which is your search engine optimization, and just how customers find you on the web. So originally on the web, on the internet, it was called the World Wide Web. And so everyone put www and then your destination in it to distinguish that we're talking about the World Wide Web, because there was multiple different types of webs out there. There wasn't just the World Wide Web. So in order to distinguish that you meant the World Wide Web, you would put www. That's how we got www in the first place. But www is actually what's called a subdomain, which means it's subbed on your main domain. So it's just like any other subdomain. So if you put admin.yourdomainname or sales.yourdomainname, those are all subdomains. So www is nothing more than a subdomain, which means it functions as another website essentially. But it's really cool in the DNS or the domain name settings, you can add it as another record so that it just resolves to the main site. And this is what you should do. So you either pick www or you just pick your main domain to resolve to, and you go into your DNS settings. So go to GoDaddy, go to your domain name settings. So that's going to be on your main landing page for your domain. It's called DNS. Go in there. It's going to be a bunch of records. What you need to do, if it's not resolving, is you need to add this record. So if you put in www.yourdomainname and it doesn't come up, doesn't forward to your website, this is how you fix it. So you go in and you click add new record. It's going to pop down with just some blanks. The record type is an A record, which is the main record. So the A record tells the domain where to go to. It tells it which server to go to. So that's what we're doing. We're directing it. In the box, the secondary box, which is basically the name attribute, you want to put www. Just www, no dots or anything like that. That's going to tell it that that's where we want it to go. And then for the value, it needs to be the same IP address as the main website is on. So with the actual A record for your regular website, it needs to match that. So go down to the A record that's already there, find the IP address, which is just a bunch of numbers, dots, copy that IP address, paste it in. So you've got A record, which you're adding a new A record. You can put www and then that IP address that matches. So then save it. Now you're gonna have two A records, one original A record and then one you just added, which is the www. Now once that fully resolves and is in there and it's working, it might take just a little bit of time, go and try your www.yourdomainname now, and boom, your website comes up properly on the www. So that's how you resolve that. And Google wants to see you have both www and regular, because sometimes customers, especially some of us that are a little bit older that remember how www was the main extension for the web, will still put that in. And if they can't get to your website, that's a problem for access. So Google wants to see that you're making sure that you're resolving all different avenues to your website need to resolve properly. And if they do, they reward you with better search results. So getting this done is not only good for your customers, so you're not losing any customers, it's good for your SEO so that you pull up higher on Google. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's insightful. Again, I kind of rushed through the instructions of how to do that, how to add it. It's a little bit technical. It can be kind of stressful if you don't get it right. But if you have me or other experts out there, you can reach out to me and definitely ask me these questions. You can do it down below in the comments. You can get a hold of me. You can call me. You can email me. I'd love to help you through this if you don't have anyone who's helping you with your website or your domain. Joe Field with SkyPoint Studios. Thank you, as always, for watching my videos. I sure do appreciate it. And I'm going to see you on the next one.